In this tutorial, we solve that problem with a simple step-by-step guide to locate Stripe Price ID and secret key in a Stripe dashboard. First, head to stripe.com and log in. To get a price ID, you need a product. In the dashboard, click Products on the left, then Add Product. Name it something like Pro Plan, add a description, and set a price, like $9.99 per month for a subscription. Choose Recurring or One Time and your currency. Click Save Product. Stripe creates a price ID automatically. Now, click your product. In the Prices section, you'll see an ID starting with price underscore. You can click to copy it. This is what you'll use in your code to charge the right amount. For the secret key, go to Developers in the lower left, then API Keys on the listed menu. You'll see a publishable key and a secret key starting with SK underscore. Click Reveal Key to see it, then copy it. This key lets your server talk to Stripe securely. And that's it. You've solved the problem of finding your Stripe Price ID and secret key, and you're ready to build awesome payment features.